Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this quartic equation, which is 2x minus 1 to the power of 4 equal to 1. This is a quartic equation because the degree is 4, right? Therefore, we expect 4 solutions. All right, let's get started. If you need only the real solutions, you can take the fourth root of both sides, thereby having 2x minus 1 equal to plus or minus the fourth root of 1. But we are not going to do that because the question said solve, meaning we are expecting all the solutions. So this particular equation contains 2 real solutions and 2 imaginary solutions. And we are not going to expand this binomial terms to the power of 4 either. But instead, let us take this 1 to the left-hand side. But before then, I can rewrite this one as a squared, right? That is 2x minus 1 squared, but also raised to the power of 2, because remember, if you have a to the power of n also raised to the power of m, this can be written as a raised to the power of n multiplied by m. So we have n and m here. If you multiply them together, you're still going to get 4 back. All right, then as 1 crosses to the left hand side, it becomes -1, and this is equal to 0. But remember that 1 can also be expressed as 1 squared, all the same. Now we have difference of 2 squared. What can you remember about them? If you have a squared minus b squared, this is the same thing as a minus b multiplied by a plus b, right? So 2x minus 1 whole squared is our a, and 1 right here is going to be our b. So let's apply the idea here. We have the whole of 2x minus 1 whole squared, then minus b, but b is 1, something like this. Then you multiply that by 2x minus 1 whole squared, then plus 1. The whole of this equal to 0. Now we have two factors, 1, 2. We're going to set each to be equal to 0, right? So it is either 2x minus 1 whole squared minus 1 is equal to 0, or the other one, 2x minus 1 whole squared plus 1 equals 0. I'm not going to expand these binomial terms as well. We are going to take these constants to the other sides. So we have 2x minus 1 whole squared here. This is equal to, as -1 crosses over, it becomes +1. Let's do the same thing to the other side. We have 2x minus 1 whole squared. This is equal to -1 as +1 crosses over. And from here, we can take square root of both sides. We have 2x minus 1 to the left, because the moment you take square root of the left hand side, the power of 2 will go. And this is equal to, remember to apply or attach plus or minus the square root of 1. You do the same thing here, 2x minus 1 equal to plus or minus the square root of -1. I'm solving the two equations simultaneously. We know that square root of 1 is 1. So let's take this one to the other side. As -1 crosses over, it becomes +1. So we have 2x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 is 1. Or 2x, as this crosses over, it becomes positive, plus or minus the square root of -1 is I. We divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. And the same thing here, x equals 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. Okay, now we have 4 solutions. Let us split them. Let me start with the first one. You see, we have plus or minus here. We're going to take them separately. So let's start with plus. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So x is equal to 1. Then another x, we use minus. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is still 0. We have another x from the complex world. We're going to take plus first. That is 1 plus I divided by 2. And lastly, we have 1 minus I divided by 2. So we have x1, x2, x3, and x4. These are the solutions to this problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.